What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Stocks here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at STAK incorporations. We could see a massive rally from STAK a day ago. I wanted to say a few hours ago, but I'm sure this happened like yesterday or on Friday. So given the situation of things right here, we could see this was a massive spike, and I haven't actually heard of STAK incorporation before, but based on what I can see here from the charts, you could see that it has definitely been in a massive downtrend after it rallied all the way to this high at $9.4. You could see all the way from this level, it has been in a massive decline ever since. So right now we could see it clearly that I think I need to take this to 1 pixels. We could see it clearly, obviously, right now that we've been in a massive downtrend. All of a sudden we've broken above this downtrend. Now where things are kind of very funny is that you could see from the 1 hour time frame that we've rallied massively. So we're at a very critical resistance right. I don't know if I can go all the way to 15 minutes time frame in order for me to grasp where we could say, okay, this is definitely going to be the where there is support, where there is resistance. Based on what I can see from the 15 minutes time frame, I can say for a fact that we have majorly broken above this major resistance, which is a very crucial resistance between this level right here at 7.43 to 7.3 dollar level, so $7.30. So we've rallied all the way to roughly $12, got rejected from there. We're currently around this area. We'll find support around here. So I think in as much as we'll find support around here, it's only the only major move we should be expecting is probably consolidation move from here, and we keep on rallying to the upside again. Now, we are definitely going to find out if running to the upside is most likely going to be possible. So sorry about that. I think I need to restructure this again, just to make sure that we are good. So I'll probably log this here. And I'll probably log this and confirm if we're actually good to go, because I think I kind of drew it from here to here. Okay, yep, we are obviously good to go. So back to the 15 minutes time frame right here. So you could see this is definitely what I think will be playing out. Worst case scenario is seeing it dropping all the way below this major level at 7.3, because once we get rejected from this level, we're most likely going to be dumping massively. We could drop all the way down here at probably 2.32, maybe before we start getting major rally to the upside. Now, in terms of what STAK industry is and why it's rallying, you could see it's right here from the news that STAK incorporation to launch AI ready distributed power solutions through proposed US subsidiaries. So obviously the last option that companies fall back to when they want their stocks to go up is obviously using AI or trying to work around their next major project with AI. So we could see right here that company establishes major owned US subsidiary to commercialize modular gas to electricity generation system for AI data center and other energy intensive applications across North America. And we could see here that Shangzhou, China, on the 8th of June 2026, STAK Incorporation, the company, or STAK on Nasdaq, a fast-growing company specializing in the research, development, manufacturing, and sale of oil field specialized production and maintenance equipment, today announced that it has entered into a memorandum of understanding, the MOU, to form a majority-owned subsidiary in the United States. The subsidiary will develop, market, and commercialize a proprietary line of modular gas to electricity power generation system designed to address the growing power demand of artificial intelligence, data center, and other energy intensive applications across North America. The formation of the subsidiary remains subject to the execution of definite definitive agreements and the satisfaction of subsidiary is expected to be incorporated in Delaware with operations conducted through the wholly owned entity in Texas. STAK will hold a 60% equity interest in the subsidiary and will consolidate its financial results. The subsidiary will operate under STAK's strategic direction, with STAK overseeing all sales, branding, and capital market activities. The subsidiary's flagship product offering is a mature modular gas power generation system designed for rapid deployment. Each deployment unit is designed or designed to generate up to or designated or sorry designed to generate up to 1.4 megawatts of electrical output within a standard ISO compliant container footprint, and may be scaled to support installations ranging from individual commercial facilities to large-scale AI data center campuses. So the system is compatible with multiple gaseous fuel inputs, including natural gas and associated gas, supporting flexible deployment across North America's abundant fuel infrastructure. So I think majorly what all this right here is just trying to say is, so I gave AI all of this to summarize just for us to understand without me having to beat around the bush, because yep, based on what you can see here, Stark Incorporation is a Chinese oil field equipment company listed on Nasdaq, and is also setting up a new US subsidiary based in Delaware, operating out of Texas to sell portable power generators that run on natural gas. The pitch is that AI data centers are gobbling up huge amounts of electricity, and Stark wants to sell them a plug and play solution, shipping container sized unit that each produce up to 1.4 megawatts of power, which can be combined for bigger sites. So the key point is that Stark will own 60% of the new subsidiary and control banding sales, and it's still just a preliminary agreement, which is the memorandum of understanding, not a done deal. Final contract and regulatory approvals, EPA, state permits will need to happen first. So I think right now people are trying to price it in. That is the reason why it's running. And we could see the unit can run on various gas fuels, taking advantage of existing US gas infrastructure. No firm timeline yet beyond near term once approvals are secured. So in short, a Chinese industrial equipment maker is pivoting into the US market to sell backup of grid power generators aimed at the AI data center boom. But it's an early stage announcement rather than a fully executed business. So you could see it clearly right here that based on this chart right here, I think based on what the AI has kind of summarized, this is just people betting their investment on on speculations that okay, this is either going to be a 50% done deal that will probably get approved or not. And given the situation of things, I wouldn't say this is the right time to go into this. It's already too late, honestly, and I don't think the deal will probably be happening anytime soon. I don't think so, because there's a whole lot right now in terms of AI and all what's not. So yeah, I think it all depends on how it goes. I'll definitely be able to keep us up to date. Hopefully, hopefully this video gets a lot of views. I'll definitely add this to my watch list and keep us up to date with what's going on in the market. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.